Those times when you get up early and you work hard. Those times when you stay up late and you work hard. Those times when you don't feel like working. You're too tired. You don't want to push yourself, but you do it anyway. That is actually the dream. It's not the destination. It's the journey. My number one competition, it's me. It's always you versus you. You got to be the one to get up every morning. Be disciplined. Put in the consistent daily hard work, because that gains success. You versus you. Practice makes improvement. You can always better your best. You can always go beyond anything that you have ever done. Just always keep going. Every human has what it takes to get past whatever they're going through, if they decide to. Only the strong survive.